My name is Rishabh Bhandari, and today we're going to learn something very unique about the English language, which is literary devices. Now, what are literary devices? Literary devices are the tools that writers use to hint at larger themes, make impacts, or convey the message beautifully in their writings. I mean, you have seen them in poems, in your stories. Now you can see them in movies and TV shows that you watch, but it's everywhere. And it's not just in these things. It are also their literary devices are also used in their speeches to convey or to make impact with their words. From Abraham Lincoln to Martin Luther King to Winston Churchill to even Narendra Modi, everybody uses literary devices in their speeches, and that's why they are considered one of the greatest speakers of the world. So let's start with them. So let's start with the first one, which is alliteration. Now, alliteration is when a series of words or phrases they have the same starting of sound and continuous words. For instance, Peter Pan, P P, Bruce Banner, Burr, Corn Girl, Gurger, right? So that's for example, I think of an example like for example, mustard, mango, mayonnaise, munch. Okay, so that's what it is. All are tongue twisters. Like Sally sells, she sells on the seashore. All of this is alliteration only because all of them had the sir in the beginning. Then we come to irony. Now, irony is when you want to express something but you mean it differently. Now, irony can be of three things. It can be verbal irony, it can be situational, it can be dramatic. Verbal irony is when you say something but you mean it differently. For example, you stub your toe and you're hurt, obviously. But when somebody asks you, are you hurt? You say, no, I'm fine, which you're not. So you're saying something, but you feel differently. Situational irony is when you say, long live the king, and everybody cheers to that, salutes to that. Okay? And the king takes a sip of his drink and he dies. That's situational irony. Dramatic irony is when the audience knows more about what is happening, about the characters' intentions than the characters themselves. Like all you see in the plays, in your movies, when you know who's the killer, basically. So that's irony. Metaphors are when ideas or the actions are compared or described in non-literal ways. For example, I'm feeling blue, right? He's the apple of my eye. So you're comparing apple, which is like a very good thing, to a kid or a person. Okay, she has a bubbly personality.